Well, viewers, tomorrow is going to be a very important day. For the first time since the India-Pakistan war in 1971, 244 districts in India will echo with sirens, blackouts and war drills. In light of the Pahalgam attack and rising tensions with Pakistan, the Ministry of Home Affairs has asked all states to conduct mock drills to assess their preparedness against new and complex threats. So what should those who will be a part of this rehearsal expect? What should you expect? What will these drills really look like? We're going to break it down for you with all the details. These drills include operationalizing air raid warning sirens, training civilians on civil defense, the aspects of it, as well as the clearing of bunkers, trenches and testing communication as well. And this is with the Indian Air Force. Now, the aim is going to be to assess and enhance the readiness of civil defense mechanisms across all states and union territories. In fact, the centre is planning to conduct this exercise across 244 categorized civil defense districts right down to the village level. So what can be expected from these drills? Who will be part of these drills? There are district controllers, civil defense wardens, volunteers, home guards, the NCC, the NSS, and even college and school students who will be participating. The basic idea of having this drill is to ensure that everyone is prepared and knows their role in case of an emergency. So let's tell you what this is going to look like and break it down for you, the measures that are going to be taken. The biggest measure is, of course, going to be the air raid sirens that will be tested. So remember, in case of any emergency, anything comes out, there is a threat, there. The only way to give out that message is through these air raid sirens. So that's going to be tested. So tomorrow is going to be very different. You're going to see sirens going off. This is unlike what we have seen in the last multiple decades. After 71, this is the first time such a drill is being undertaken. Apart from that, civilians and students are going to be trained in case of any threat, how to respond. That's what will be taught to civilians, to the common citizens, as well as students. So, in fact, these drills will be taking place in schools as well as colleges as well, to be better prepared for any such situation. And there will be crash blackout protocols practice as well that will be conducted. And remember, these are some of the practices that we see in the border areas, and now we're going to see in districts across the country. Apart from that, the vital installations are going to be camouflaged, which means the big buildings, important institutions, these installations are all going to be camouflaged as part of this rehearsal. And there will be evacuation as well that will be conducted. The rehearsal is going to continue. All of this, why is it being done? With the aim of boosting civilian readiness against hostile attacks. So preparing for any hostile attacks that may come in. In fact, the MHA civil defense call is very clear. Bharat is gearing up for a hostile future. From classrooms to command posts, from bunkers to even back and beyond to the villages, every citizen must be ready. The next war won't give any notice. And since most of us have never gone through any of such an experience, what can we expect tomorrow? What are these drills going to really look like? My colleagues Pavit and Tejshri get us a glimpse.
So these visuals are you seeing from the Firozpur, Punjab, where a significant blackout exercise has commenced. You can see that at sharp 9 p.m, all the lights across the cantonment area have been switched off as a part of a critical preparedness drill. The blackout drills are organized by the Firozpur cantonment authorities, comes amid heightened tensions with Pakistan. The goal is clear: to ensure the cantonment is ready to implement blackout procedures effectively if the event of a war threat. The cantonment chief executive officer has called for a full support from the deputy commissioner and the station headquarters to make the exercise a success. In the visuals, you can see that a complete blackout has happened. You can see the situation out there as the blackout unfolds.
Amidst the rising tension between India and Pakistan, in fact, the preparedness is going on here in the international border schools itself. And in fact, in the visuals also, you can see that how the schools are preparing themselves themselves. The proper training is given to the teachers and the students as well. So remember that schools located near the LOC are shifting focus toward emergency preparedness. Bunkers on school premises are also being cleaned up, but students and teachers are participating in the regular mock drills to practice swift evacuation procedures. Teachers are conducting sessions so as to how to respond during shelling or any cross-border firing. So here you can see in the visuals as well that if there is any kind of untoward incident, if there is any ceasefire violation, if there any cross-border firing or shelling, the students in such kind of situation either will have to hide themselves under these benches, or in fact they will lie down over here in such kind of situation. And in fact such mock drills are being carried out on a regular basis so as to give understanding to the students, so that how are they going to manage and tackle these particular situation. And let me tell you, just few steps away from this particular classroom is a bunker, and in fact if there is heavy firing, heavy shelling, then in fact at that particular point of time these all students will be moved to the bunker. So this particular school from where we are reporting right now is a school which is located just few kilometers away from the international border of India and Pakistan. Hence this is very important for the students also to know that how they are going to rescue themselves, how they are going to hide themselves, and how they are going to save themselves if such kind of situation escalates.
In fact, we have breaking updates now coming in. The Union Home Secretary Govind Mohan has called a meeting regarding civil defence around 10:45 a.m. The meeting is taking place today, and preparations for civil defence are being made in 244 districts of the country. The chief secretaries and heads of civil defence from across the country will participate in the meeting via video conferencing. My colleague Priyank Tripathi is getting us this update. Priyank, tomorrow is going to be a very, very crucial day. After decades, we are going to see such events taking place in the country, and the entire country will have to participate in the same. What are the details of this meeting called today?
See, Pratima, at 10:45, the video conferencing will start from the Ministry of Home Affairs, where the Home Secretary will be holding this high-level meeting, which will have the participation of all the district collectors or district magistrates, if you see in these states are concerned. I was talking to the few of the senior officials, and they have also prepared a route map of what needs to be done and what need to be briefed to the Union Home Secretary. But the message is very loud and clear that all the district level officers have to be very much clear, prepared for any sort of further action. While talking about two of the districts, which is Srinagar, because Srinagar is barely 2 minutes to 3 minutes flying distance from the international border. Not even that, the Baramulla DC, all these district collectors are prepared for the meeting, which is expected to happen at 10:45. Sirens have been arranged, the students have been briefed, and all those civil defense volunteers will also be briefed by the district collectors and the respective junior rank officers regarding the preparedness which need to be done. At 7 p.m. tomorrow, on 7th, what we are expecting, that the massive drill will be followed. But before that, the district collectors and the DMs have been told to come prepared for this meeting, which is expected to start at 10:45 today.
Okay, all right. And Priyank, tomorrow, as these drills will be taking place, we will see participation from across the country. Stay with us. We have more breaking updates coming in.